What is an ISRC code or ISRC number? ISRC stands for International Standard Recording Code and is the international identification system for sound recordings and music video recordings. Each ISRC is a unique and permanent identifier for a specific recording which is assigned as its digital fingerprint. Only one ISRC should be assigned to a recording and should never be reused to represent another recording. Basically, an ISRC is a music tracking code that verifies associated recording information, including artist name, track title, album title, label name, and UPC. Universal Product Code is the barcode for trade items. Who needs an ISRC? If you put a piece of music into the commerce stream, which is where people can buy it, you should get an ISRC. Independent artists, record labels, and music distributors all issue and assign an ISRC to each unique recording released on CD, download, or streaming by digital music stores. For example, if an artist is signed to a record label and recorded an album of 6 tracks, the record label would assign 6 unique ISRCs to all 6 tracks. Once assigned, those 6 unique ISRCs will represent those specific recordings in perpetuity, forever. What do the letters and numbers in an ISRC mean? ISRCs are always 12 characters long. When creating an ISRC, you begin each code with a unique 2-letter country code. Note that after December 6, 2010, new registrants in the U.S. used the country code QM. The next 3 characters are alphanumeric registrant codes of the party issuing the ISRC. The 2 numbers following represent the last 2 digits of the reference year. And the last 5-digit number identifies the particular sound or video recording unique within the scope of the reference year. For example, a recording of the song Forever by the U.S. group The Porchlighters has been allocated the ISRC code QM-ABC-18-00001. QM stands for United States, ABC is for label or distributor, 18 for year 2018, and 00001 is the unique ID for this specific recording. It's a bit of a process to get the ISRC, but totally worth it. Register and learn here, www.usisrc.org. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and connect with The Modern Musician on Facebook.